Today we're going to take a look at how to deactivate GL code combinations using both MorphoApp's System Administration Loader and an Oracle standard program. So let's take a look at the different steps to achieve that. We would like to deactivate all of these GL code combinations. That would be quite easy to do that manually since there is just a few, but when you have like a few hundreds to do, then it's really painful. So let's say we would like to deactivate all of these code combinations except for this one. If we want to preserve that one, we will click on this box here, Preserved, and then save this record. Let's now use the MorphoApp System Administration Loader to deactivate these flex values. We have already connected this workbook to our Oracle instance using login and have brought up the FND flex values template. Using this template, you can create and maintain your flex values. For instance, end date or disable certain values from your chart of accounts. Let's download using the criteria entered in here. We can now disable these values and upload either a selection or upload all, since we want to upload all rows on this tab. These records have been successfully updated. To disable all the code combinations for a specific segment value, you can then use a standard Oracle program called Program Inherit Segment Value Attributes. The segment value inheritance program is run to automatically propagate the following attributes of a segment value to all account code combinations which contain that segment value. Enable disable flag, effective dates, allow budgeting flag, allow posting flag, reconciliation flag. Create an execution report if you want to take a look at the list of code combinations that have been deactivated after completion of the program. You can then take a look at the output to see which code combinations have been disabled. We had preserved one code combination in the beginning, so this one was not deactivated. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to deactivate GL code combinations using MorphoApp System Administration Loader and an Oracle standard program.